Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's video, we will be learn how to configure alarm flashing and adjust the column width. When an alarm is triggered but unacknowledged, the text color of the alarm often continue to flash to grab the operator attention. This behavior is designed to indicate that a critical condition has not been addressed or acknowledged yet. Ensure that the alarm remain visible and noticeable until the operator take action. So in this video, we will learn how we can configure the alarm flashing. As you can see, the row 2 second row alarm is till now not acknowledged. The first alarm is acknowledged, so that's why it's not flashing. But the second alarm till now not acknowledged and it's continue flashing. So we'll learn how we can configure this alarm flashing in the WinCC Scada. And one more thing we'll also learn in this tutorial, this column width. So as you can see here, the type alarm type is width is column width. We need to increase it. So we'll learn how we can configure also. So let's see practically how we can configure. So in our previous tutorial, we already learned how to configure alarm control in the WinCC Scada. So as you saw in the previous tutorial, we configure this alarm control. So if you did not saw our previous tutorial video, then first saw that video. This is just the extension of that video. So now we want to flash our alarm. So for that, you have to come here in the alarm logger, right click, open. Okay. So here, then first step is come in the message blocks, and you have to enable this flash option for all of the column that you enable it to for the display. And this one, then the class type. Okay, so you must have to make sure all of the rows all of the columns is flash is enabled. Okay, so regarding the column width, like we want to increase the width of the type column, so I will just put it the width like 20, or I will put 15. Okay, and like uh, now acknowledgements, I also put that. Okay, after that you have to come here in the production line and a critical alarm. Okay, which all the class and then the message type you want to enable the alarm, like alarm flashing, you have to come here in the flash on and you have to tick mark this option. So in that case, whatever the tag you put inside this alarm type, so or alarm or message type, those all will get flashing. So for the like testing purpose, I will not enable the flashing option for the other alarm types. I will just indicate enable it only for the critical alarm. So that's it. Just close it and run the project. So for example, I will disable alarm. Come here in the alarm area and I will just acknowledge it. Okay. So if I will enable the alarm now, so as you can see, this alarm is now flashing. Okay. Now if I will, for example, trip, I, wa I want to just disable. Okay. So I just, for example, my alarm is still active and I just want to disable this second, the emergency stop alarm. Okay. If you try to directly click it here on alarm, it will not work. You have to enable this auto scroll option. In that case, whatever alarm you want to acknowledge, single alarm acknowledge, you can do it. Right. If I will acknowledge this alarm, so as you can see, once the alarm is acknowledged, it stops flashing. So it's mean operator already takes some corrective action over the alarms. So the first one, I did not enable it, then I did not acknowledge it, and it's still flashing. So as you can see, I enable only the flashing option over the my critical alarms. But for other alarms like warning and information alarm, I did not enable the flashing option. So that's why flashing option, its alarm is flashing only for the my critical alarm type message. And the you can see also see the type previously is was not completely I'm able to see. Now this now the column width also increase. So that's it. So Alhamdulillah, we learn it how we can configure the flashing for alarm flashing inside the WinCC SCADA, and we will also learn how we can adjust the alarm control columns width. So thanks for watching this video.